Students, now we are sharing 5 triangles here, A, B, C, D, and E. Now these 5 triangles have different base and heights, okay? And we will have to find out the area of each of the triangles. So you can just have a look at the table below, which is asking us to find out the height, the base, and the area of triangle A, B, C, and D and E. Okay. First, let's have a look at triangle A. Triangle A has the base as 4 centimeters. Just have a look at this triangle A, which is giving us the base as 4 centimeters. What do you think the height is? Always remember the height cannot be this, all right? The line which you see, an imaginary line, a dotted line that you see here, which is running perpendicular to the base, all right, where you can see a 90-degree angle made. So this is going to be your height. So always remember the height is perpendicular to the base. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is a line. I'll just make a line here and you just have a look at it. This is a line, okay? Let's make this your base. And if you have a line in the middle, it makes a 90-degree angle on either sides. This base and this is your height. They are running perpendicular to one another. Okay, you can have another example of perpendicular. I'll make a line here and I can make a line here. This makes a 90-degree and this also makes a 90-degree. So this line basically is the base and this is your height. So these two lines are running perpendicular. Height is perpendicular to your base. Or I may make another line here and I can make a line here. This makes a 90-degree, all right? And this is your base and this is your height. So this line height is running perpendicular to this line, the base. Okay, so always remember perpendicular lines always make a 90-degree angle. Now if you just have a look at the first figure that I was just explaining, figure A or triangle A. Triangle A has a base as 4 centimeters, but its height is, you're going to draw a line touching the vertex and drawing it in the middle to make it a 90-degree, which is running perpendicular to the base. So this is going to be your 4 centimeter, which is already mentioned here. So when you are asked to find out the answer or the area of this triangle A, how do you find the area of triangle A? I will show you how we are going to do the working of this figure. So let's do the first figure, which is or triangle A, and we're going to work out, okay? Work out this. Find out the area. We're finding out what? We're finding out the area now. So half into base into height. The formula is this. I'm not going to go very much into detail writing down area of triangles, but I am just making it short and easy because we have to do 5 triangles, right? So half and the base is 4 and your height is 4. Simplify the figures. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 4s are 8 centimeter square. This was the calculation for your first triangle, that is triangle A. Let's move on to the second triangle, which is your triangle B. Triangle B has the base as 3 centimeters, but if you see this triangle, the line which is running it is not running perpendicular, okay? It's a little tilted line, okay? A little slanting. So let's just draw a line. We can add up a line or draw a line and try and make it till here so that it makes a 90-degree angle. This is basically, line was still here, but we have extended the line, okay? And then we're going to add up a line here to make it a 90-degree. Now you can see that the base is your 3 centimeter and the line running parallel to it is this line, okay, which is making a 90-degree angle, which is not parallel, sorry, it is perpendicular, which makes it a 90-degree. So base is 3 centimeter and the line running perpendicular to it is 4 centimeters. So how do you find out the area of triangle B? So I'm going to find out the area of triangle B. Triangle B, simple, just write half into base into height, which makes it, what's the base? 3 centimeter, and what is the height? 4 centimeters. So we simplify now the figures. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So what do you get here? 2, 3 2s are 6. So 6 centimeter square. Alright, I have multiplied 3, multiplied 2 gives me 6 centimeter square. So let's see the table below and match our answers with the working which I have just done for you. If you have a look at the two triangles A and B, the height is 4, the base is 4, the area is 8. Triangle B, the height is 4, the base is 3, and the area is 6. So I hope you've understood the two figures. Let's have a look at triangle C. You can see the base given here. The base is 6 centimeters, okay? Its height is given in the middle, all right? And the base and the height are running perpendicular to one another. So the height makes a 90-degree angle, which is a dotted line. You can, if I'm giving you a question without drawing this line in the middle line, this is up to you to decide where to draw the line. And of course, you will draw a line in the middle. Why? Because when you draw a line and when it touches the vertex of this triangle and it makes a 90-degree angle, it is easier for us to understand the height of the triangle. So the base is 6 and the height is 5 centimeters. How do you work out the answer, the area of this figure? Let's do find out the area of this triangle. Now what is going to be the area? Let's do the working. Area, this is area, is equal to half into base into height. Let me zoom this. All right, now this is better because you can all see now. So the height is what? The base, first we're going to write in the half into base is 6 and the height is 5. half into base into height. Let me show you the figure also, and let's do the working as well. So the area is simple. You can find out the area by just following the formula. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 3 is 6. So 3 multiplied by 5 gives us 15 centimeter square. So the area of this triangle C is 15 centimeter square. Now children, I hope you've understood, and let's move on to the last two figures. If you have a look at the triangle D, the base, now they have tilted the triangle upside down. Okay, now where do you think is the base? The base is the line that is straight there, 3 centimeters, and of course the line which is running perpendicular to the base is the imaginary line, the dotted line, where we can see a 90-degree angle made. Okay, so this line is your height 4 and this is your base 3. So how do you calculate your answer here? It's simple again. Apply the formula. Half. What is the base? 3. And what is your height? 4. Alright. Okay. Just simplify. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2 is giving us 6 centimeters square. So this is how we find out the area of this triangle. Now, if you have a look at the last triangle, which is triangle E, you can see the base as your 6 centimeters. So, where do you think you can get the imaginary line to be made? It should be this. Why? Although we can see, you might get confused with this 5 centimeter, but this is not the height. Height is always running perpendicular to the base. This 6 centimeter is your base. So you have to make an imaginary line and which should run perpendicular. So we have, although this triangle was just like this, we have extended an imaginary line with this dotted line. Okay, and this is your height. 3 centimeter is your height, 6 centimeter is your base. Okay, so again, how do you find out the area? You will use the same formula. Half into your base is 6 and your height is 3. 2 times 1, 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is giving us 9 centimeters square. I hope children you have enjoyed the lesson today. So I'll be sharing more questions with you, and you need practice, and the more you practice the better it will be. So now I'm ending up my video, and bye for now. Have a good day.